Good morning from Jaisalmer, and we are here in the Golden City. And we arrived last night, and it was pretty late. I think we arrived midnight, so I couldn't film much. But here we are in the morning. Hello, sir. How are you? I'm good, thank you. It's the Golden City, and unlike Jaipur, where you have all kinds of different colors of buildings, and same with Jodhpur, they didn't stick to the blue city name that they have. Jaisalmer is all golden, as you can see. Like everything here is made from this little stone or rock, whatever. I think it's a stone. And it's the same color, all of the buildings, literally. There's not one building with a different color. So all of them are made from the same type of rocks, or same type of stone, excuse me. I mean, you guys are gonna kill me, whoever knows about this shit, about construction. I mean, look at these buildings. They have the same color. It's pretty beautiful. Hello guys, how are you? They're pretty shy, camera shy people of Jaisalmer. So we're just walking out of our hotel now. Hey guys, how are you? All right, so yeah, we are hungry. We're heading out to get some food. No idea where we're going. We were just dropped off at our hotel last night. He had no idea where the market or anything was. I think we're just gonna walk and try to find a place to have our breakfast. I mean, it's almost lunchtime. It's 12:30, so, but we're gonna have our breakfast because, you know, we woke up late and we wanted to explore Jaisalmer for 2 days. We're here for 2 days. And look at this. What a beautiful city. The same color all over. I love it. I mean, I kind of wish Jodhpur stuck to its blue color for all the buildings. It would be so cool. And same with Jaipur if it was entirely pink instead of orange buildings here and there. But yeah, Jaisalmer is definitely my favorite out of the 3 places that we've been to so far. You see a lot of white buildings in Udaipur. I've been to Udaipur. I don't know if you've seen those videos. That's where I made my first few videos. But here we are. So I don't think this time I'm gonna head to Udaipur because I've been there. Hey guys. So yeah, maybe next time. I'll probably go there on a scooter tour. Do a little scooter drive into Udaipur. Yeah. I'm kind of hoping we can find scooters for today as well, because, you know, it's a lot more convenient to have your own vehicle and to be able to go wherever you want. So, but so far, the people that we have asked about scooters have told us the prices are ridiculous here. They said it's 500, 600 rupees, which is like outrageous. I mean, you don't want to pay 500 rupees for a scooter and then have to pay for fuel. I mean, I guess it's kind of okay, but you know, we've had a lot cheaper options in the previous 2 cities that we were in. So I'm hoping we can find a scooter place which is within our budget, reasonably cheap, not too expensive. Maybe for 300, 350 is a fair price. Because if there's 2 of us, if we have to pay over 1,000 for just scooters, we might as well get rickshaws and you know, have people drive us around everywhere. But yeah, let's see what we can find. I think we're entering the market area here, coming up to it. So let's see what we can find to eat. Jaisalmer Fort up there. And you also have hotels up in the fort, so you can get rooms in the fort if you want to live there. But we are here for bikes, so let's see how much for a couple scooters. Let's see what prices we get.
So I'm trying to book 2 scooters.
So this is a place, Jaisal Bike. Rent a motorbike. Let's see if we do rent a motorbike from here. Who's the man here?
I think this guy. He's coming already.
The boss
he's coming. The boss is absent. He abandoned his shop. You gotta wait for him to come back. Let's see.
He was there.
You gotta watch out.
You want to half day?
Half day.
Half day.
So right now we're cooking half a day.
Other than 300 rupees.
300 rupees?
Full day 600. Half day 300.
How many hours is half day?
Half day like 4 hours.
4 hours?
4 5. Like 6 o'clock.
No, that's too less.
Now 12 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 6 hours.
Yeah, that's kind of high.
Yeah,
That's kind of high.
let's try some other place.
I'm gonna check other places first.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, about the same price. 600 for the entire day. 600 for like 6 hours. I think we can make it like 7-8 hours and still get away with 300. So, but we still want to check. We don't want to just get it from the first place we asked. We still want to check the other places, and there's a whole market over there, so we probably go explore that. So here's some couple motorbike shops. Let's check here. We got the Enfields. Do you have scooters?
Yes.
How much per day?
See the price is.
Oh, can I see it?
चलो आपका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक में कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है.
Okay, call me back at 2. The original is better.
Half day, 8 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Because you know, 1 and 2 is good I have. So many people you don't know.
Yeah, we're looking at 4 hours.
It's per hour. Half day, 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. to 6 hours.
500 for a full day.
So it's either 500. The other place, the Jaisalmer bike, was 600 for the entire day.
It's better we pick it up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. And
Yeah.
fucking get on it, right?
So what do we do today?
Today
Just
we
explore the
fucking
fort?
we explore the fort and explore the city.
Yeah.
What is there to see the city?
City?
Yeah.
The sport and what else?
City is more out of here to 1 to 2 kilometers.
How far?
Fort just 20 minutes up.
Okay.
Yeah, 20 minutes out. We can walk to that. No big deal.
Yeah, yeah.
When you take the scooter? Today, tomorrow?
I'll take it tomorrow, all day.
No problem.
Okay. Because we want it for the whole day. So,
8 to 8,
yeah.
500, and fuel.
Right.
We're talking 600.
Yeah.
He was 1,000
Right.
for all day.
Yeah.
And tuk-tuk.
Auto. Then
Yeah.
all day how much?
He was 1,000.
This is more better to you. Scooter is more cheapest.
Well,
But we have to
getting
put fuel in, too.
and fuel.
You need 2 scooters.
Yeah.
2 scooters.
Yeah.
You pay for 400 rupees, no problem. 800.
You know, how about if we pay you what we paid Road Panda? Same price. Road Panda
Like
was
in Jaipur.
300 in Jaipur
300 for the day.
for the day.
Yeah.
So you pay 300 no problem. You also 300.
300, 300,
two
and
scooters?
fuel.
2 scooters. Yeah, fuel less.
Okay. Yeah, fuel we could
Okay, we'll pick
up.
it up in the morning.
All right.
Sure. Morning 8 o'clock, 8:30.
Okay,
All right,
perfect.
cool.
So, okay,
Sure.
Thank
shake
you.
on it, make
What's
a
your
deal.
name?
Okay, good. Okay.
Your
My
name?
is Mukesh.
Yeah,
Okay,
we'll be
so
here in the
Desert
morning. Let me
Bikes.
see your, let me see
All right.
are your bikes
All right.
here?
We have it here.
If these ones?
Yeah, Activa.
Okay.
Jupiter also.
Okay.
You need a manual like automatic?
No, automatic.
Automatic.
Yeah.
So we just made a deal to a bike guy. So if you guys come to Jaisalmer, come to this place. This guy here, totally reasonable.
So we finally agreed for a scooter for 300 for the entire day. He was nice enough to be, basically give us a discount. So Desert Bikes, it's right by the fort in Jaisalmer.
Yeah.
And we'll pick these up tomorrow, so. Desert Bikes, Jaisalmer.
Jaisalmer.
No, Jaisalmer is the other one. This is Desert Bikes.
Desert bikes.
Desert bikes.
And Jaisalmer first shop we started rent a motorbike 2006. First shop we started rent a
This was the first in
shop.
Jaisalmer?
And the government approved shop.
Oh, wow.
And here in Jaisalmer 2 and 3 more shop is not government
Yeah.
approved. It's
Oh,
the
okay.
government approved shop, outright.
That's good.
And Jaisalmer first shop we started rent about 2006.
Okay.
And I have only one business, only motorbike rental.
Okay. And you're the owner?
Yes, my father's owner.
Your
I'm
father's
also owner.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome.
Okay, it's a father and son.
Good business. All right. We'll see you guys tomorrow then.
Okay.
All right.
That is
That's a good deal.
making some headway here quickly. So we need some food. Yeah,
For sure.
my ass off. I haven't eaten any since dinner and it's like almost noon. So, okay. So we're in
So we were able to haggle with the bike rental guy and bring him down from 600, which was the price, down to 300 for 2 scooters, which is a good deal. I didn't expect that we were going to be able to haggle with the bike rental guy, but yeah, even though they have their prices written down, definitely if you want to try and rent bikes, and if you want to see if there's a little wiggle room, definitely talk to them before you settle on the bikes. How's it going, sir?
Very good.
What's your name?
My name is Aslam. You?
My name is Ashish.
Ashish?
Yes. This is your shop?
No, my shop that way.
Oh, that one?
No need for Viagra.
He doesn't have.
No need for Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, watch out. Watch out for the poop.
No.
Very special.
Look at that. Look at this sales pitch. No need for a Viagra. Magic bed sheet.
Very helpful.
Is Viagra built into this?
It's very helpful.
Very helpful and
It's very practical.
very practical. I'm sure it is. What is this? What is the magic
I don't
behind
even
it?
want to know
Then
what
you
the
shut
magic
this
is.
spiritual energy inside. When you sleep or not, you will get such a nice
Oh
pleasure.
wow.
And something extra.
Let me
very
see.
good.
You mean you got to rub your naked ass cheek to kind of get
Bed
going?
sheet size, one wife. Well, that's not enough.
I have a beautiful shawl.
It's okay. We're not looking to buy.
Very
But it's
good though.
it's very good.
Very catchy. I like it.
No.
No, it's okay.
No, we don't want to buy, but we're just looking at the sign.
I know, you know, but I just want to show you
Very
something.
catchy.
All right.
I want to give you guys
By the
some
way,
credit.
what is your name?
Very good for the. My name is Ashish.
Ashish.
Yes.
You are Indian, no?
Yes. Yes.
Where are you living?
We live here, Jaisalmer.
I know.
Yeah, I live in the. This is my house.
You don't
the
think
fort.
you don't think I'm from here either?
He's from
I'm
India.
sure.
We both are from
Yeah.
India.
Both are from
We're all
India,
brothers.
but By your accent, you are not living in India. You are living somewhere
No,
else.
no, we live in India.
Now you are in India.
Yeah,
I
we're
know.
in India.
I know.
right
I can
now.
talk to you. I can see you. You don't need to say that you are in India. Now you are in
yeah.
India. No, I know.
Yeah.
But you are not living in India, I'm sure. Where do you live? America?
Kerala.
Kerala?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You speak English such a very good.
Yeah.
Practice.
You gotta practice.
Perfect.
You're also pretty good.
Yours is good.
I'm always learning. I'm always
Yeah.
learning, man.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah,
you're also
that's
learning.
what it is.
Just from the tourists.
We're also learning. You're very good.
Thank you
Better
very
than a lot of people we've met. Most people
Really?
don't know. Yeah.
Let's give me a chance to show you something.
Well, I mean, we don't really want to buy anything, so
Yeah, we don't wanna
we're
waste
hungry. We're gonna eat because we just came in last night, so
eat
we haven't
every day,
had
no?
breakfast.
Sometimes if you eat a bit late, like late,
And we need
it
a
will be
little
good
bit
for
of
your
food.
body.
Yeah, but
And
we
your
need
stomach
it.
it will be digest very easily.
Where's a good restaurant?
Where you want to go?
We want to eat some food.
What's the best restaurant? What do you recommend?
Romania. That side.
Romania.
Romania is good.
That side? Okay.
We go from here. Right here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll check it out.
Go and look.
Yeah.
You can tell them came from the handicap shop from Hassan.
All right. We get a discount,
Of course.
50%.
I'm sure.
All right. We'll see. Let's see. We'll go there.
See you then.
All right, thank you. All right, let's head to the place that this handloom guy just recommended. I mean, he probably knows what he's doing. They got bed sheets that give you erections. So, whoa, look at that. What is that? Fort Aranya. That looks pretty cool. Real desert man, camel safari. Can we even go anywhere from here? Golden sunrise. Oh, there it is. Yo! I saw the board. It's over there, the restaurant that he told about. It's back there. You want to go? Or do you want to tour the market first? All right, so let's go to the restaurant. We'll then come back and check out the market. All right, let's go. All right, we're going there. Yeah, we'll tell him. Let's see if we get a 50% discount. I do remember his name? No. I didn't hear it. All right.
My battery's dead.
Already? What is
I
that,
didn't put it in
wasabi?
charge at all.
Okay. Well, we're going to the back alleys, ignoring the market, the hustle and bustle of the market, and going to Romani.
Hotel.
Desert Price. Oh, Desert Pride. Romani, the Gypsy Hotel. That's where we're going. And it's a rooftop hotel, I guess.
Okay. The street of Jaisalmer.
I think Jaisalmer has the most amount of poop on the road. I mean, it's just cow dung, so you got to watch out while you're walking. Watch your step. But here we are, Hotel Desert Pride, Romani. So it has a rooftop restaurant, I guess. Let's go check out the price. It kind of looks kind of expensive.